Alright, so today we are unboxing this BOYI 65% layout 68 keys mechanical keyboard in the color Matcha. The manual that it comes with guides you through the different types of connection you can make with the keyboard. You have the USB or 2.4 gigahertz adapter, you have the USB-C Type-C cable, and also the Bluetooth connection. In this manual, you're going to find combinations for different types of functions, as well as electrical specifications and Bluetooth connection and operating distance information. So from this side view, we're going to be able to appreciate more the connection port as well as the on and off switch and the connection switch. The keyboard is really good quality, ergonomic, and compact, and has different backlit modes as you're going to be able to see here. It comes with 4 rubber keys underneath to prevent the keyboard from sliding, and also these 2 modes for inclining the keyboard, which is my preferred setup. It is truly a stunning piece, perfect for gaming, studying, and even working from home or working from the office. It's nice, portable, comfortable. Here we are unboxing the rest. This is the USB-C Type-C cable it comes with. This is the set of the swappable keys. And it also comes with the proper tools to attach and detach those keys. In here also it includes the USB-C dongle or adapter. Now this is how the final setup is looking like. Let's go ahead and do a type test.